the second half, partner. Tagbilaran, Hagna needs to have better effort in the second half para makambak ni nila.
That's correct, partner.
20 ang labaw sa Tagbilaran City as of now. Mora to Golondrina. But na-slide. Walay foul, partner, na-slide si Golondrina.
Out of bounds. Tagbilaran's ball.
Now we can see, partner, man to man si Morata.
Correct, partner. They have to control Morata tungod sa iyang ability, partner. Dapat i-limit yun ang iyang scoring, partner.
Defensive stop. Let's see if they convert it to a shot. Pero for 3, he needs this.
Vince Pero for 3.
That's a banggarang 3.
Ako balikon, partner, dili nimo ma-discount ang possibility. Ang Hagna noon sa ilang comeback game, partner.
Agree, good partner. Aspero, that's his first 3-pointer of the game. And Hagna needs all the 3-pointers para makaapas yun. Tagbilaran City.
Andre Pundok.
With a putback. Ray Pundok. Amora. Screen from Rañices. At foul.
Foul.
On Horace Morata.
Foul on jersey number 1, Guy Andre Pundok. Substitution, Bautista for Costan. First personal foul, Pundok, first team foul. Ten-second shot clock.
Nunez spins, drop. Hamora, tight defense by Tagbilaran. But Rañices was not able to convert. Here's Abing on the other end. Abing!
Foul on jersey number 39, Jake Nunez. Third personal foul, first team foul.
A blocking foul on Hagna, partner. To the dismay of Hagna supporters. Abing misses both. Hamora with a strong rebound. Brings the ball up court. Ball rotates to Pero. Golondrina finds Rañices in the middle. Almost a steal. And a steal by Tagbilaran City. Abing to Localiano. Crossover. And a foul again on Pero.
Foul on jersey number 20, Vince Pero.
That's the second team foul of Hagna.
First personal foul,
partner.
Second team
Correct,
foul.
correct, partner. Ang gihimo karon sa Tagbilaran, partner, very intense ang ilahang defense, forcing the turnover.
And that's the problem po, no? Problem of Hagna, partner, in the first half. Dagag turnover man na nalubong yun sila karon. But another counter attack by Hagna. Hamora strong!
Basket count
Nice
for
layup by
George
Hamora, partner.
Foul on jersey number 3, James Abing.
That's
One free
again
throw for
the
Hamora.
advantage of Hagna.
First
Fast
personal
break in.
foul, Abing.
And Hamora converts on that
Second team
2 points.
foul.
Hamora misses the free throw. The referee says
Out of bounds, Tagbilaran's
ball to Tagbilaran City. steal. But a turnover.
Out of bounds. Tagbilaran's ball.
Abing. Tagbilaran with a miss. Hagna is on their end. Golondrina.
Foul.
That is a foul.
Okay, balik na si Golondrina, partner. Usa sila mga ace
Foul
point
on
guard.
jersey number 3, James Abing. Second personal foul. 3 team fouls.
Golondrina. Nakalusot.
Foul on jersey number 1, Guy Andre Pundok. Second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Interception by Hagna.
Bero. Only has 1 3-pointer so far. Hamora. He drives it and Hamora.
George Hamora!
Again, partner. Slowly but surely. For Team Hagna. 15 na lang.
Correct, partner. Now, coming from 20-point deficit.
Time out.
Now, 15 na lang ang labaw sa team Tagbilaran.
57-42 in favor of Tagbilaran City. Again, this is
Another
the
shot.
Juniors Division Finals of the Governor's Cup 2023.
Okay, another shoutout, partner, sa Team Hagna. Adunay fans coming from Hagna. All the way from Hagna, no? Si Michelle Macarayan. Usa ni sa mga diehard fans of Hagna, partner. Usa ba itong shoutout ang mga
Shoutout putasan
fans
ng mga
sa Team Talibon. Layo-layo sa nagigikanan sila, partner, no? Coming from Talibon. Shoutout na to ang mga prayer warrior. Itawag din sila prayer warrior, partner. Sila si Michelle. Ug nausap sila si Carla.
Back
Carla
to the ball
Bantok,
game with
partner.
6 minutes and 41
Shoutout sa
seconds.
ilang grupo nga murag. Sige gino sila gampo, partner, for Team Talibon.
grabe, ang suporta gyud sa tanang LGU karon diri. partner.
First time ko nakakita, partner, nga ang gymnasium sa Kalapi Sports Center puno kayo, partner.
I think this is around 7 to 8K people inside here. As Morata, jumper, oh my!
Nice jumper by Morata.
Horace Morata with an MVP type performance. Mora thought about it. That is foul on Nico Localiano.
Foul on jersey number 10.
I think that's the third personal foul of Lucaliano,
Third
partner.
personal
Foul trouble.
Penalty.
Si Nico Localiano. And this is penalty
Substitution.
sa Tagbilaran City, partner.
Antopina for
6 minutes and
Localiano.
5 seconds left. So taas-taas pa pero penalty na
Correct,
ang
partner.
Tagbilaran City.
Unlike sa first and second quarter nga wala sila mapinalty, partner.
This is a chance for Hagna to try and come back this game. So shout out putasan ni tanaw karon sa live. Ingon si Maria Agnes Curay Galarion. Shout out sa Hagna team. Shout out po kuno ni Romir Gelbolingo og ni Michael Lawrence Boniel. Salarda with a high fly antics. But he misses this time. Pondok to Bautista.
John Benedict Bautista.
Hamora needs to create something for Team Hagna. Out to Golondrina. He shoots the 3. No go. Up. Still. 3-on-2 fast break. Abing wants to go all the way. Oh!
James
Puts it in
Abing.
on a tough drive. back to a 20-point lead by Tagbilaran City. Salarda. Golondrina. Almost a steal to Salarda. Nice drop. And a foul.
Foul!
Hard foul by Antopina.
Foul on jersey number
So,
8.
so shout out na po kata karon.
Antopina.
Shout out ko no. Ingon si
First personal
shout out
foul.
ni Edward Kainday.
Penalty.
Ingon si Magaraw Kagulala Noli. Shout out po kuno ni Gary Tresner nga kinagwapuhan sa Luon. Shout out. Shout out po kuno ni Cecil Montemayor. Banhaaman ka sa comments. Uy! And again, miss. 5 minutes to go. Wala ka-convert sa free throw ang Hagna, partner. As Morata!
Horace Morata!
High flyer, layup by Morata.
Kung ang Hagna na ay sa Morata. Pero still no go for the 3. Fast break for Tagbilaran. And Bautista.
John Benedict Bautista!
It's 2 for Tagbilaran, partner.
Correct, partner. Ato na bantayan, partner, ang Tagbilaran karon. Even bisag na control nila si Morata, partner. They're capitalizing sa uban nilang role players. Bautista, Antopina, and Abing, partner.
As we have our score, 24-point lead. 24 ang labaw sa Tagbilaran City. 67-43. 4 minutes and 40 seconds left. So akong pangutanan ni mo, partner, does Hagna have what it takes to come back in this ball game?
Dili na imposible, partner, tungod kay sa ako nang gikaingon kaganina, kaning Team Hagna is known for their very intense play, even bisag na apa sila, partner. They've shown that sa previous nila nga mga games, partner,
Back
sa
to the
game
ball
to
game
nakita na to
with
nga
4
nagpakita
minutes
sila og
and 40
intensity hantod
seconds
nga bigawas
remaining
sila
time
muna
for
now,
the
partner.
third quarter.
Correct.
Wala imposible, partner, labi na sa intensity sa mga batanon nga player, partner.
Good, partner. Anything can happen, mga higala. This is still a quarter and a half. But let's see if Hagna can execute to make this comeback. Hamora. Jab step, floater. No go! That is ball off. What's the repetition?
Out of bounds. Hagna's ball.
Hagna ball.
14 seconds shot clock.
Salarda.
Foul.
Grabe si Salarda,
Foul
partner.
on jersey
Persado.
number
Drive kung drive.
1.
Kayo gid sa Salarda, partner, usa sa ilang mga ace player.
Against Salarda.
Third personal
was
foul.
the best player of the game in
Penalty.
game 2. So Hagna needs more of Salarda to score, but no, partner. Para yun, makapak ni nila. Takot ako good ang option nun.
Palihog ko, mga flash sa inyong cellphone pagka palihog. Substitution. Makwa for Pundo.
Bantay ka partner, ang team Tagbilaran daghan kay sila mga role players. Even without the need of scoring, gikinahanglan gamit kay sila sa court, partner.
As Antopina with a baseline jumper pushes the lead to 25-25. Ang labaw sa Tagbilaran City. Golondrina. Still by Tagbilaran City. Bautista. Yes!
Benedict Bautista.
Oh my, what a performance by Tagbilaran City, partner. 20 City.
That was a combination of Morata and Bautista.
Hagna is shell-shocked here. Wala sila ga-expect nga may naani ang score. 27-point lead. 71-44.
Traveling violation. Substitution.
By Tagbilaran City. 3:19
Nunez for
left.
Bero. Galolo for Golondrina.
No one expected. Ngayon ani kalubong atong game karon, partner.
Correct, partner, no? Ato makita ang performance sa Team Tagbilaran. Spread kayo ng scoring la, partner. Though daghan nag-score ni Murata, but ang iyang teammates daghan usab kayo na
Sakto
score.
with mo ginaim yun nga role players, partner. With Localiano, Bautista, grabe good ang point production.
George Hamora.
And that is Hamora trying to breathe life into Hagna for them to come back. 25 gapon ang labaw. But a rebound by Andopina. Galolo checks back into the game. Just check into the game rather. To Morata again. Morata misses. Rebound by Bautista. Drop. Abenya.
James Abeng.
Hagna was not prepared for this outcome. In this 2 minutes and 20 seconds left in the third quarter. Because as we can see in game 2, that was a very thrilling game.
Jersey number 9, Bautista.
Mortal sin sa usa ka defensive
Free
player,
throws
partner, no? Nga mo foul ka sa
for
3-point shooter.
Second
As you can
personal
see
foul
there,
on Bautista.
Hamora.
Tagbilaran on penalty.
Is
That was a defensive lapse by Bautista.
again, as I said, wala ni gi-expect yun sa Hagna, partner. Kaya pag game 1, actually, di ba, katong for game 1, explosion ni Morata, 56 points. But only a 8-point lead for Tagbilaran. And then game 2, I think that was 4 points rabod ang spread. And then karon, lubong-lubong yun ang
Correct,
Hagna.
partner, no? Ato ma-observe sa game 1 and game 2, na-control nila sa Morata, but ang iyang kauban wala makascore that much. Unlike karon sa game 3, partner, iyang teammates, very effective, partner. The likes of Abing, Bautista, and Localiano.
And that is the difference for this game, partner. Na ay kabatok ni score si Morata karon, maunang 73-49. 24-point lead
Good
for
adjustment sa
Tagbilaran
coaching
City.
staff sa Team Tagbilaran. They know, partner, nga guardiado kayo si Morata. That's why anang mga role players mo'y kitagaan og play.
And
That's
Abeng!
right, Abeng.
James Abeng for
Bangaran! Wow! Tagbilaran City. What a performance. Galolo tries to answer air ball. But a steal. Steal by Hagna. Salarda. Drop. Ranizes.
J.R. Anieses.
Abing. Oh, no, that's Makwa. Rather. Amora. Again with a fast break and a foul. Penalty sa Tagbilaran, partner. And that stops the clock. That's a chance for
Foul
Hagna.
on jersey number
Correct.
26.
Time
Makwa.
remaining, partner, is only 1 minute and 13 seconds.
Second personal foul, penalty.
And the lead for Tagbilaran is 25 points.
Substitution, Pasagad for Bautista. Substitution, Ayeng for Abeng.
Shout out sa Tagadiyot. Pa-shout out po. We are still fighting for Hagna from Christine and Paran Galia. Shout out po guno sa Padayon Poblasyon, Bobong, Buaw, Jerson, J.C. Morris, Denchut Kupar, Nantic Escartin, o sa BT Repair Shop. From Dondon Crescencio, Iti, Attorney Valmoria, Ricky Cachon, Gikan ni Montfal. Go Tagbilaran from Ella Bonmay de la Cruz.
Substitution. Galolo for Nunez.
Shout out sa atong 16.2k live viewers diri sa atong live stream sa Provincial Government of Bohol and Governor Aris Aumentado. Antopina. Pua. Fake. Oh! What a move.
Mark Ayeng!
Double pump fake by Mark Ayeng.
45 seconds.
And that leads to the 2 points. Galolo. Jumper. Still no go for Team Hagna. To Morata, the star player. Morata fade away. Ayeng with a board again. And that's a foul. But
Foul on
a
jersey number
performance
16.
here by Team Tagbilaran City.
Galolo.
Again,
First personal foul, 3 team
25 ang labaw in the third
28
quarter.
seconds.
So Hagna, watching from Dubai, ingon si Dana Shine. Shout out sa among supportive kaayo nga Mayor
Out
Jane
of bounds,
sa
Hagna's
Tagbilaran
ball,
City from
19
Noel
seconds.
Datahan.
Mo appreciate ta partner no, sa effort sa mga team players sa Team Tagbilaran. Grabe gyapon ang ilang depensa. Nya nakakusog ang ilang depensa partner.
Maugid partner, ipisag labaw kayo sila. The intensity of the defense is still there.
Correct partner. Wala sila mo us-us or mo paluag sa ilang depensa partner.
Corner 3. Still no go for Team Hagna, but still. Counter steal.
5 seconds.
Morata. That's a good foul by Galolo, no?
Foul on jersey
To stop the
number
fast break.
26.
And wala pang sa penalty, so dili pa mo itsag free throw ang Tagbilaran.
First personal foul, warning for penalty.
4 seconds left.
4
In this
seconds.
Game 3 of the Juniors Division Finals. Nga wala gid na to gi-expect. Tagbilaran City is leading by 25 points, 78-53. Morata buzzer beater.
End of the third quarter, our official score, Hagna 53, Tagbilaran 70.